learn Turkish alphabets. But before that, recall the English alphabets. There is a reason. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Q is absent. R, S, T, U, V, W and X also absent. Y and Z. We found that in Turkish alphabets, Q, X and W are absent. So now is the time to learn Turkish alphabets. Okay? A, A. This is not C. This is J. Yes, this is J. This one is Che. It's like C-H-E. Che. D, A, Fe. This is G. No, this is G. Yes, and this is yumuşak G. Yumuşak G. Yumuşak means soft. So this is the yumuşak G. In my next lesson, we will find the details about this one. Okay, so don't worry about this. I will explain it later. H. Oh, sorry. Hey. O. This is O. Not E, not I. O. This one is E. Okay, this one is E. J, K, L, M, M. This is O. O. Simple O. And this one, O. O. This one is O. This one is O. Okay. Pay, Ray, say. This one is She. It's like S-H-E. She. Like that. She. Te. This is U. Simple U. And this one is U. U. Okay. U. Not you. U. U. They. Ye. Last one. They. It's they. Not J. This one is J. This one is J. But this one is they. Okay. So here is the total 29 letters and 8 vowels which I already marked with green marker. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 vowels, and about this I will explain it later in the next episode. Okay? Till then, bye bye.